Hi, welcome to my video tutorial on how to use Linux operating system. The operating system I chose for this video tutorial is Linux Fedora 43. It has just been released at the end of October 2025 and it's been working fine for me for the past 2 years that I've been using Fedora. You can also upgrade it every 6 months. There's the command line option and also GUI option to upgrade it. But I chose to install the fresh install. Let me show you what I got here. If you see my desktop, you'll see that I got the deskbar on this side. But the default installation, when you install Fedora, it is on the top side and it's not on deskbar. It's like that. And it has only one row. But I choose to have 3 rows and put it on deskbar because I can see a little bit of text in here if I choose it on 3 rows. Otherwise, there's just the icon and it's hard to know which one or which application is opened already here. And put it on automatically hide the panel intelligently. That way, if you open a window here, it intelligently hides. So it doesn't occupy the space here. So you can have the whole window on your monitor. Let's check the Fedora project and see what interesting things we can find here. First of all, it's the Fedora 43 release. All kinds of options for workstation and server, Internet of Things and everything. But if you get down here, you see it's called the spins. So all desktop environments in Fedora are called as spins. I tried Cinnamon and Mate. So if you look at Cinnamon, it looks like this. Mate looks like this. But I tend to choose XFCE because it's lightweight. Mate is also lightweight, but I like the XFCE because I can tweak it the way I like it. So you see the default installation looks like this. And you know how to download it. Just download ISO and then Fedora Media Writer software. Gives you the option to write it on a USB flash drive and boot it as a live Linux and install it from there if you like it. So that is a great option that you can try it live and see if you like it and then install it. So let me show you what I got on my deskbar. If you right click on that, then go to panel preferences, there's an option that you can add the items here. So if you click on add, that gives you all kinds of variety of items that you can have. Let's say you want to have a CPU graph. So you click on add and it appears here. And there's also the possibility that you can edit. If you choose that, you can edit the item properties here and tweak it the way you like. You can remove it or you can move it. So that's the way it works with the items here. And there's also the option that you can add some items in your context menu. When you right click on that, the default option is to open terminal here, but I like to have the root here option also. This one is not added by default on the Thunar file system or file manager. So if you click on about, you're going to see that I have the Thunar that comes by default with the XFCE as a file manager. You can go to edit, configure custom actions. There's this one already here, and I already have it here. So if I click on edit, you see that you have to choose a name for your action. So the name of the action will be displayed here, and then you choose the command. The command is pkexec thunar %if. That's the necessary parameter that you should write here. And then you can choose an icon, whatever that suits you fine. And when you choose that, check this mark here, directories, ***, and click OK and close. Restart the Thunar. You just go to close and open it again, and you get the root here. So if you click on that, write your password, and you can open the window as a root user with root permissions. It comes very handy. So that was my tip for now for my Linux Fedora desktop configuration. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what other tutorials you would like me to make. I'm interested to know if there's anything you would like me to explain on Linux, as far as I can. And yeah, we can learn as we go through it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next tutorial. Take care.